Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And I think you've realized it already, if you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button as well the volume down button. So long press these both buttons together and then you will see finally here the power off menu. So just confirm on power off, again on power off, and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that you're here at the control center. And the part of the control center here on top is the symbol to power off the phone. Just tap it, then you're here as well. At the power off menu, just confirm twice on power off and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up the power button or the side button, as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And you will have the point Side button. And you can choose what should happen if you long press this side button. Actually, we are waking up the digital assistant, so Gemini, Google Gemini. But in the future, we want to have the power menu. And that means whenever we long press now the power button, we are immediately at the power menu. Now we can confirm on power off and again on power off, and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.